Hello and welcome back to GW Add-ons. Generating documents is only half the battle. If they all end up in one giant pile with generic names, you're just creating more work for yourself later. A professional workflow needs a professional filing system. Let's look at how SmartForm Publisher keeps your Google Drive perfectly organized, automatically. In your sidebar, head to the sharing settings. Here, you can define the exact access level for every file generated. You can choose to share the file automatically with the person who filled out the form, or grant access to specific team members, like your manager or accountant. The viewer role is perfect for clients. They can see the final document but can't change any of the details. This protects the integrity of your invoices and contracts. The editor role is designed for collaboration. Use this when your internal team needs to review a generated draft or add additional information after the form is submitted. Want to get even smarter? Use markers in your sharing settings. By using the same double curly brace tags from your form, you can dynamically route access to different people based on the form's content. This ensures that sensitive information only reaches the intended recipient every single time. With advanced permissions, you can scale your automation with total peace of mind. Your records stay private, your contracts stay secure, and your team stays in sync. Take control of your data security today. Install SmartForm Publisher and experience the power of secure automation. Visit gwaddons.com for more pro-level Google Workspace tips.